Hi guys, welcome to the new video. In this video I will tell you how to download the bank statement of Sparkasse Bank. First of all, you have to download Sparkasse and open it and click on notification center. Here you have to click on inbox option. You will see only one option here. Click on this and go ahead. After this, in the notification there will be a lot of notification. You will have to choose for bank statement. It can be done by the help of filters. Click on filters, click on first tab and select third option and filter the button. After this you will get only those notifications that have your bank statements. So click on any one of these and here you can see download button. Click on this download button and you will get a PDF file of your bank statement. Thanks for watching the video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel.